stage is yours, David.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is David Chen from Brightek. Today, I'll show you how we're cutting complexity and cost in automotive lighting without sacrificing performance. Picture this. Instead of multiple MCUs and LED drivers scattered throughout your vehicle's lighting system, now imagine one central ECU controlling every lighting function. That's not some concept technology. It's here today, and it delivers up to 30% cost savings. I'll show you how we get there and why it matters for your next lighting platform. Before we dive into the technology, let me quickly tell you who we are. Brightek, founded in 2001, listed in 2021, headquartered in Taiwan, with manufacturing in China and an India expansion plan for 2027. We're 40% automotive, 60% consumer electronics. Our core strength, smart, addressable LEDs that we call ICLEDs. ICLED is a system and package component combining RGB LEDs and a PWM driver IC. This allows direct control of brightness and color through simple commands. No external drivers needed. So how are they any better than standard LEDs, you ask? Well, traditional RGB LEDs can often drift beyond 3 SDCM. So that's color variation that 92% of people can easily see. So in premium interiors, that inconsistency is quite obvious and unacceptable. ICLED solved this by adjusting the current to each RGB channel after assembly, delivering tight color distribution across every LED in your vehicle. Now let's see how this simplifies module design. Conventional lighting modules are bulky, require complicated circuits, and are costly due to separate drivers and complex PCB routing. By embedding the driver, ICLED reduces board space by 30%, cuts cabling, and enables plug-and-play modules. The result? Faster design cycles, lower BOM cost, easier integration. And it's already proven in production. Since 2019, our ICLEDs have been deployed in multiple OEM programs across different vehicle segments. But we're not stopping there. We're taking this further with our ETR technology that enables true centralized lighting control. So, what exactly is ETR? It's our smart transceiver bridging SPI, I2C, and CAN-FD. It supports up to 31 slaves per SPI port, 10-meter CAN-FD runs, built-in lookup tables for temperature compensation, and broadcast functionality. This makes it perfect for software-defined vehicles requiring centralized ECU control. With ETR, one central ECU can control all vehicle lighting without downstream MCUs via CAN-FD. So that means the front, rear, interior, everything. It supports OTA for updates and even new features after the vehicle ships. So true software-defined lighting. Okay, let's compare some circuits. Even in designs that already uses ICLEDs, each lighting segment still needs its own microcontroller and transceiver. So that's especially more so the case for longer cable runs. And to power those components, you'll also have to add LDOs. ETR changes that equation completely. With ETR, you can replace up to 4 separate components with just one single device. For cable runs longer than 30 centimeters, just add more ETR slaves in parallel to maintain performance. It's also versatile. It works with single LED for the rear applications, accepts bias directly from a buck. It can also supply voltage to drive ICLEDs when needed. So that's true system simplification. ETR can also automatically compensate for LED degradation over the vehicle's lifetime, maintaining consistent color performance without ECU intervention. Okay, it uses lookup tables to adjust PWM for temperature variations and detect malfunctions all independently. The ECU stays focused on higher level functions. Send one command from the central ECU. ETR handles individual module adjustments for perfect color consistency throughout the entire cabin. True plug-and-play intelligence. Here's the value summary. ETR enables 10-meter runs, 5 megabits data rates, twice the light strips, and 30% cost savings. That means smaller PCBs, fewer components, less wiring, and reduced overall weight. Now, let's go over our product lineup. Our ICLED lineup is designed from the ground up to work seamlessly with ETR. It includes the side 5525 and the 3838 EVO series, both featuring white calibration and temperature sensing. Available in RGB, RGBW, and RGBB options for richer blues. And for more budget-sensitive projects, we'll also offer the 3535 ECO. In addition, we're extending ICLED and ETR benefits to exterior lighting. With the side-emitting 5525 single color option and the mid-power 2720 dual color solution in amber and turquoise. Both available with embedded EVO intelligence for smarter control and more adaptable performance. Okay, let's wrap up with 3 key takeaways. First, ICLED and ETR together deliver superior color consistency and stable performance. Second, we completely eliminate the downstream MCUs while achieving up to 30% cost savings across the entire system. Third, we cut board space by over 40% and simplify module design. So combined, these benefits mean lower cost, faster builds, simpler integration, and improved reliability, all in one architecture. Okay, and just one last thing. Now, I'm here to announce our latest product called Lin Light. This is our single LED Lin RGB module solution. This is designed to work seamlessly into Lin-based communication systems. It's a highly integrated module that combines ICLED, LIN transceiver, and a microcontroller into one ultra-compact footprint. So features include auto-addressing, single-wire LIN protocol, direct vehicle power connection, and increased heat dissipation. So please come visit our booth for a live demo and for more details. I thank you very much for your time and attention.